Hey. What does that mean? Hey, shut up. What's he doing? I'm sorry. I'm just so amused. I've never seen like an Accord do that. Like, see? Pop like that. Come on, lady, get out of here. This lady, she doesn't know what she's doing. She's just... Hey, don't flash me. Oh, what's up? I didn't even know that was him. Because I thought he had like a silver van, a champagne van. Fuck off. Come on, bro, what are you doing? Get out of here. Making me Mr. Sexy. Hey! Squad! Yo, he has the light! Oh! Okay. Look, let me record it. Come on.
That shit looks so bad.
Hey, you moving it, motherfucker. This nigga.
That shit's horrible. Fuck you mean?
Hey, she think this is bad. Have y'all seen my pictures, bro? That shit is great.
That shit horrible.
Better than mine.
Shit.
Oh, wait. Wait. Okay, I'm good. Hey, look. I should be like that dude in California. D-Tech. Yo, should I do that? Should I do that shit that dude in California does? Or no? Oh, that's too embarrassing.
It's just...
This motherfucker's complaining about her pictures. Her pictures are great.
No, they're not.
Standing here, I got protection. Let me stop and people think I'm joking. I'm serious, I mean.
This one actually I'm kind of, sort of.
So you kind of don't. You are a pro motherfucker. I'll smack you in the face.
Dare you? Yeah.
Oh, Violet. Oh.
My bad.
I'ma call the policia. She's violent. That's a Mustang.
Huh?
Don't do it. There's police sitting up there.
Thank you.
Bye. Be safe. VTech. Eddie's Lmfaoo's funny. Oh, I just noticed that. Oh, oh look, the Mopars are leaving.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.